Hello everyone! Today's video is a maniswap with Jessie from Nailed It NZ. In this video, I'll be showing you how I recreated her McDonald's nails. Jessie recreated my neon tribal / Aztec nails, which I think turned out really amazing, so make sure to head over to her channel to see her video. You can either click the info card in the top right corner or click the link in the description box. Start off by painting your pinky, ring and index finger white and your middle finger and thumb red. I also recommend applying a fast-drying top coat to make sure the polish is completely dry before you start making the design. This way you can easily fix any mistakes by using a toothpick. Please note that this will only work if you're using acrylic paint. So after the base color is completely dry, start outlining the fries with black acrylic paint and a tiny paintbrush. This doesn't have to be perfect because we'll be going over the lines later. When the outline is complete, fill in the tip of your nail with either red polish or acrylic paint. I didn't have any paint with that exact color, so I decided to use the same red polish as I used on my middle finger. While that is drying, fill in the fries with light yellow paint and the rim of the container with a medium yellow. Now I'm just applying a second coat of red polish to make it more opaque. Once the red polish has completely dried, make the McDonald's M. You might want to make it in white before filling it in yellow to make sure the color stands out nicely. Once the M is complete, start outlining the fries with black acrylic paint again. It's not shown in the video, but I applied a fast-drying top coat before this step just to make the nails smoother and easier to paint on. The rest is quite self-explanatory, so yeah. The M can be a bit tricky to get right, so just take your time and look at a picture of the actual logo for reference. I found that making 3 guidelines helps a lot in terms of centering the M in the middle of the nail. As before, I used white paint first and then I filled it in with yellow. Once your nails are complete, allow them to dry for a couple of minutes before applying a fast-drying top coat. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to check out Jessie's recreation of my tribal nails, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!